Model, 1993 Land Rover 110 Defender 2.5 Turbo Diesel. Excellent runner bargain. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 138458. Engine, 2495 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This Defender starts and drives brilliantly with no warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after. Pickup features, this has a winch which is powered via a PTO. There is a certain way to get it to engage. It is a little fiddly.